East Coast Lifestyle headquarters. I'm going to give you a behind the scenes look at our Halifax, Nova Scotia warehouse. Come on in. So here, we keep all of our overstock hoodies. We do hoodies from small to 5 extra large, so you can imagine there's a lot of boxes. So this is where the magic happens, and this is where all the orders are packed and picked. This is where we keep all of our clothing for East Coast Lifestyle. So some of the products we see here today, the made in Nova Scotia socks by Stanfield's. We've got these new boxers that just showed up today. We haven't released these online yet, but coming out very soon. This is our t-shirt aisle, so all of our t-shirts are kept in this lane. Our #1 selling tee is the classic vintage tee since day one. We have that one in all different colors right now, from maroon to gray to blue, light blue, purple, green, red, light blue, green, other green, and then all sorts of different t-shirts down the lane. So ladies t-shirts, the surf fan design. We got new long sleeves on deck. These are going to be releasing within the next month, but we did 5 different new long sleeves. They've all got really nice colorful arms, all different colors. So this is the map tee. This is one of our biggest sellers. So we try to keep all of our hoodies in one space. We have a lot of hoodies down this wall. And into this room, we call it the Hoodie Room. So we've got all of our #1 selling hoodie in one area. There's 12 colors of it. It's called the Classic Vintage Hoodie. This is what it looks like. So currently online, we have 12 of these different hoodie styles. Down the lane, we got our red, we got the maroon, we got the new yellow, we got the OG black, we got gray, we got blue, we got the OG pink, OG teal. This has been a huge recent hit for us. The gradient goes into a blue and then back into a teal. And this one has been a top seller that we never really expected it to be as popular as it was. Call it the ship in a bottle design. New designs, new logos, let me know what you think. So we just released these new jackets online. They're anorak jackets, nice and waterproof, great for the spring. We've got 3 different colors of them, so we call this one black and yellow. This one's our gray to black anorak faded jacket. And then we got the new anchor pattern jacket as well. They all have that kangaroo pocket for your phones and wallets. And then we're rolling over to here, so we can't keep these in stock. These are a huge hit, the Jogger Pants, but these are going big time right now for us, the black and the gray. They're all kind of styled up too to be more of a tighter fit. People can wear them in the gym or at home lounging, but they're not an overly baggy pant, they're nice and fitted. And as we keep going, we got lots of our long sleeves here. We're doing a lot of arm hit stuff right now. People are liking the East Coast down the sleeves and the simple over the heart vibes. Let us know what you think. This one's been a huge hit, called the electric long sleeve, nice colorway. These are the new embroidered hoodies, super soft hoodie. These are coming out in about a month for spring. We got the 3 colors. We got pink, we got the teal, super premium quality. And we got the blue. We call this one sky blue. It's a nice shade of blue. And then we can go into the kids room really quick. A lot of people were asking for us to develop out the electric long sleeve into kid sizes. So we got the white, the purple, and the black. These are all coming out in April. Little mini kids long sleeves. And we got the black one, super fresh. And then we got the OG kids t-shirt as well in all the colors, so pink, navy, red, royal. Made in Nova Scotia, new Stanfield's kids tees, baby onesies, never too young to rep your coast. So the next room we got is an accessory room. We got the new sports water bottles. We've been selling a ton of these glasses now that we have the East Coast rum soda. These are online as well. We've got the new tumbler. So it's just like a Yeti cup. Keeps your drinks hot or cold, tea, liquor, whatever you want to put in there, water. And we even have the mason jar, the tin cup. So we're really trying to build out all of our drinkware for you guys, so anything you might need, even these guys. We've got these new wallets available as well. You can fit 10 cards in it. It's RFID safe and it's super thin. Then we got the coolers. You can fit about 20 drinks in there with lots of ice. Really good waterproof material. Even has a bottle opener on the back. The license plate frames have been flying off the shelf, so we're gonna keep those in stock all year. The Frisbees, gotta have the home mats. Water bowls, so when you're on the go, your dog might need some water. The leashes just got back in stock as well. Dog bowls. We're really trying to listen to all your guys' feedback of what you want us to make. We're making it happen. Even Titleist Pro V1s. The drawstring backpacks, the beer cozies. We're trying to make it all, guys. These have been a big seller for us with COVID. We got our lightweight black mask available back in stock online. In adult sizes and in kid sizes as well. We just got these in stock. Kind of looks like a shark. It's a bottle opener, wine opener, mini knife. And then we go into the hat room. The #1 selling hat for us is the classic adjustable hat. So we got our patch, OG patch on the front, anchor on the buckle, all custom interior. Some other hats we got are the polyester hat. It's got a nice cool pattern on the inside there. All the different logos we've made over the years are inside the hat. We got the Varsity E hat. This one's been a big hit. We're bringing it back. It's almost sold out. So our new kind of dry fit stuff that we got going on, but all different hats for all different people. Thanks for checking out our warehouse space today, guys. Red for Coast. Cheers.